Hello students, welcome to all in Disrupt Academy online classes. Dear student, in part 9 video, we have already solved some question of tangent and normals. Now dear student, in part 10 video, we will solve some question of tangents and normals. And questions are, find the point at which the tangent to the curve y is equal to root 4x minus 3 minus 1 has its slope 2 by 3. And question number 2 is, find points on the curve x square by 4 plus y square by 25 equal to 1 at which the tangents are first parallel to x axis and second parallel to y axis. Now we will solve question number 1. Question number 1. Given equation of the curve is given y is equal to root 4x minus 3 minus 1. Let this is equation number first. Now we differentiate it with respect to x. Means differentiating with respect to x, we get dy by dx is equal to d by dx root 4x minus 3 minus d by dx 1. This implies that dy by dx equal to d by dx root 4x minus 3, that is 1 upon 2 root 4x minus 3, and differentiation of 4x minus 3 is 4 multiplied by 4 minus 0. 2 times, this is cancel out 2 times, then we write dy by dx. This is equal to 1 upon root 4x minus 3 multiplied by 2. This is equal to 2 upon root 4x minus 3. According to question, slope is 2 by 3. Means dy by dx represents slope, and this value is equal to the 2 by 3. This is equal to 2 upon root 4x minus 3. Here 2 and 2 is cancelled out. Then we write 3 equal to root 4x minus 3. Squaring both sides, we get 9 is equal to 4x minus 3. This implies that 4x equal to 9 और 3 ऐड करेंगे आप 12. This implies that x equal to 12 upon 4. This implies that x equal to 3. Putting value of x in equation number first, we get y equal to root 4 into 3 minus 3 minus 1, y equal to 12 minus 3, that means 9 root 9 minus 1, y equal to 3 minus 1. This implies that y equal to 2. Here we get x equal to 3 and y equal to 2. And in this question we have to find out point. The required point is P 3, 2. This is required point at which the tangent to the given curve y equal to root 4x minus 3 minus 1 has its slope 2 by 3. Now student, we will solve question number 2. And in question number 2, it is given x square by 4 plus y square by 25. This is equal to 1. Let this is equation number first. This equation represents the equation of the curve. differentiating first with respect to x, we get x square, differentiation of x square is 2x upon 4 plus 2y upon 25 dy by dx equal to 0. Here 2 is common, then we write 2 into in bracket x by 4 plus y by 25 dy by dx, this equal to 0. This implies that x by 4 plus y upon 25 dy by dx, this is equal to 0 by 2 means 0, then y by 25 dy by dx, this is equal to minus x upon 4, then we write dy by dx is equal to minus x upon 4 into 25 upon y, this equal to minus 25x upon 4y. According to question, since curve is parallel to the x-axis and parallel to the y-axis, then we have to find out points. मतलब जब कर्व x-axis के पैरेलल हो तब हमें पॉइंट निकालना है, और जब यही y-axis के पैरेलल हो तब हमें पॉइंट फाइंड आउट करना है. और आपको पहले ही बताया गया है कि when it is parallel to the x-axis, then dy by dx at point is equal to 0, and when it is parallel to the y-axis, then dx upon dy equal to 0. Now first, since it is parallel to x-axis, then dy by dx at that point is equal to 0, then we write minus 25 x upon 4y equal to 0. This implies that x is equal to 0. Putting x equal to 0 in first, we get 0 plus y square by 25 equal to 1. This implies that y square equal to 25 means y equal to plus minus 5. Y equal to plus minus 5. Then required point और यहाँ आप देखिए y की ट्रू वैल्यू है और x की वैल्यू 0 रखने पर y की ट्रू वैल्यू है, रिक्वायर्ड पॉइंट हो जाएगा 0,5 एंड 0,-5. 0,5 and 0,-5. Now in second part, when it is parallel to the y-axis, then dx upon dy equal to 0. Again, it is parallel, the second part, it is parallel to y-axis, then dx upon dy is equal to 0. Here dy by dx equal to minus 25x upon 4y, then dx upon dy equal to 4y upon minus 25x. Means 4y upon minus 25x equal to 0. This implies that 4y equal to 0. This implies that y equal to 0. Putting y equal to 0 in equation number first, we get x square by 4 plus 0 equal to 1. This implies that x square equal to 4 means x equal to plus minus 2. जब हम यहाँ y की वैल्यू 0 पुट कर रहे हैं तो x की 2 वैल्यू मिल रही है, एक +2 और एक -2. means when it is parallel to the y axis, then here we get 2 points. and required points are 2,0 and -2,0. 2,0 and -2,0. This is final answer. Now dear students, some question is given in Google Classroom app. Thanks.